out here.
Just drop it off on a full tank.
Okay.
And usually if you're driving a lot, you might use $1.50 gas maybe. But I think that's like most possible. Go ahead and hop on. I'll show you how everything works on the road here. So right now you're on the center stand. If you guys are going to park it, I recommend using the center back stand because it's more balanced. Yeah, going back. Because the other one's kind of flimsy. If it falls over, you're responsible. So use the center stand. It won't fall over. So go ahead now. Push it forward. Yeah. Now you're going to turn the key on, one click to the right. You're going to hold your right brake down. Yeah, brake and that button. Since you're riding the vehicle, I always recommend back brake on. You don't need to press that brake. Just use the front brake to hit your foot.
Alright guys, so we on the scooter. Whoa.
Oh shit.
Oh, now it's the part behind Alright guys, so we made it to get a snack. It's so hot out here. Really hot. Really hot.
And our phone number is 1-800-829-1950. Thank you for calling the Internal Revenue Service.
Good morning guys. Happy Thursday. I have been MIA like literally for 2 weeks. I'm so sorry. We definitely went to the beach. Yeah, we definitely went to Florida last week. I think it was last week. And we pretty much stayed for like 4 days. We left that Tuesday and we came back like that Friday night. So yeah, we definitely went for 4 days. And girl, your girl is back. Yes, I'm back. I'm feeling really great this morning. I noticed like when you pray and your prayers be like really long, you pretty much, you're gonna have a great day. And I know like I'm always praying in the morning, but they be like really short. So I pretty much took my time this morning and I feel really great. So guys, this house is definitely a disaster. I'm gonna show you guys a sneak peek. And like, girl, oh my god. But I wanted to come on the show, tell you guys that I have been away for 2 weeks. Please forgive me. Please forgive me. But now I am back, you know. Once you take your vacation, my fiance was like, once we take our vacation, it's not going to be no phones. But I did try to vlog and get footage. But let me tell you guys something. When I was at the beach, because he picked up my swimsuit, I wasn't feeling that swimsuit at all. Like, I wasn't feeling it. because like now I am pregnant. For one, I don't even look like I'm pregnant. I'll be 4 months next Saturday. Or is it this Saturday? Girl, I think it's this Saturday. And I don't look like I'm pregnant at all. I will show you guys, but I only have on a robe shirt and I'm in my undies. But I'm definitely losing weight. Like I went from like 120. I've always been like 110, 109, 108. I always been that. But before I got pregnant, I was 120. Girl, I'm back down to like 110. So I definitely lost a lot of weight, a lot of weight. And I'm really trying to pick back up on my eating. But my kids, they love the Nutri-Grain. And they ate all of them. You see, it's nothing in here. It's nothing in here. So he actually, and I'm gonna flip the camera around, so hold on. Okay, so he went from this small box, guys. As you can see, this box is so small, super small. And he got the kids. I'm thinking this is the one with all the flavors. Oh no, he got them the volume pack of the same ones. I would at least thought that he would got different flavors. So we may have to take that back because I want them to have like different flavors. So tell me why when I got up this morning I wanted some coffee, and then Ethan is following me around the house, so of course you guys is going to hear him in the background. But you want one? Huh? You want, let me, hold on, he said juice, but I think he's seen what I had, girl. You know how kids are. You want one of these? Here. Thank you. But girl, I found that I was pregnant in March, April, May, June. I haven't had coffee in 4 months. Tell me why I was feeling coffee this morning, but that's definitely because I'm in the mood to clean my house. So your girl about to drink her some coffee. So baby put these things in the freezer. I guess he forgot to put them in the refrigerator. So I'm about to run them under some hot water, and I think I'm gonna be having this. I did bleach my counters. Like I have this Thelife Clorox, but we need to get like some more Clorox because when I clean, I love to use lots and lots and lots and lots of Clorox. So we definitely need to get some Clorox for the bathroom, and we need to get some Clorox for downstairs. And I have my Clorox and dish detergent in the sink, and I have all my dishes over here. That's what I mean about my house is a disaster and your girl needs to clean up. Plus upstairs, oh my god, like I tried this. So this is what I'm gonna try to do today. I'm gonna try to do a 2-in-1 video cleaning video, because yeah, it's a lot. But I noticed like you guys don't see me clean my entire house, but that's definitely because you hear her making up all this noise. Go play with your toy. Go play with your toy. But that's definitely because my fiance will clean like the bathrooms. So he'll clean downstairs bathroom, and he'll also clean upstairs bathroom. And he'll also clean the living room sometimes. But it's my job to clean the kitchen. Like we have this sheet, and I'm gonna show you guys. And I think I'm gonna put the sheet on the refrigerator because Ethan broke the picture frame that it belongs in. But yeah, my job is definitely to clean the kitchen and our room, and I always clean the boys' room. I love cleaning my kids' room. It's like I love, because I know a lot of parents, like a lot of moms, they don't like dealing with toys, but me, for some reason, it's like, go ahead, mess up your room, put toys everywhere, play with your toys, because I love to go in there and put the toys up. And if I don't see toys on the floor, I'll be like, you know, that's what's up. But me personally, like I love when they play with their toys. I love when they get their room messy with their toys so that I can go in and put their toys up. But so yeah, my job today in this video is going to be cleaning this kitchen, I think folding the lunch. I'm going to clean our room, or I'm gonna clean the boys' room while he cleaned our room because he's not gonna have much to do. And hey, he's off. Like, he's off today and tomorrow. He goes back to work Saturday, so he can help your girl clean. But I'm about to get breakfast started here. I'm gonna stop talking because I noticed, like I said, I'm getting very comfortable with talking to you guys. But I'm gonna stop talking because I want to show you guys while I cook and clean. But I may not be cleaning no, I may do clean at this moment because this is what I feel like it. Let me get my coffee on first, girl, okay? I'll be back.